Alright guys, so I have just found my powerhouse for streamlining all my content creation in just simple and easy clicks. So this is a cheat software for YouTubers, Tubemagic. Now Tubemagic is an AI-powered YouTube video creation and optimization tool designed to help creators generate high-performing content effortlessly. It provides features like video script generation, thumbnail creation, and SEO optimization for titles, tags, and descriptions. Tubemagic streamlines the content creation process, making it ideal for marketers, entrepreneurs, and content creators looking to grow their channels. With its user-friendly interface, it saves time and enhances the quality of YouTube content. So here are all the tools currently available on Tubemagic, and trust me, we are going to be using each and every of those tools to test its capability and effectiveness, and by the time we are done with everything, you should be able to match all the results that you have gotten to help you fully understand how Tubemagic works and also how we can help you enhance your content creation processes. Now, the pricing plans and how to get access. Tubemagic has just one pricing plan which costs $47 per month, and if you want to go ahead and pay for a year at once, you're going to be paying just $41 per month. So this has given anyone the option to start a YouTube channel with the price of a coffee. The amazing tools that Tubemagic has in combined is what I'll walk you through on how to use and help you see why this tool stands out amongst the others. So right here you can see that I am logged into my account, and you see that this is the user interface of the Tubemagic software, and this is something of high quality. And as you can see, Tubemagic just launched a thumbnail generator, and trust me, we are going to come back here to check out this later on in this video. Now, starting with the first section here, which is the ideate and research section. So you can see we have the video idea tool, the first one here, and this is the tool that is going to help us generate new viral ideas based on any YouTube channel of our choice. So if you want to get viral ideas from your competitors, this will be the perfect tool to use, as you would have the ability to double down on what is already working. So let's see how this tool works. So now I'm going to hop on YouTube, and here is a random channel that I might be interested in. So like Tubemagic wants us to only have the channel username, and here it is, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy the channel username. Okay, I'm going to come back here on Tubemagic, and I'm going to paste this right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. We have a video here from the channel that could potentially be a viral idea for us on our channel. So if you're not satisfied with what you want, you can go ahead and click on generate again to get another video idea for yourself. So I think this is becoming more interesting based on the viral ideas Tubemagic is getting for us. Now let me go ahead and hit generate again and see what happens next. So you can see that we have a more targeted video right now, and I believe we all understand how this tool works from the tags that we gave it to do. So now you can see we have 3 viral video ideas from our competitors' YouTube channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose any one of those 3, and I'm going to choose this one particularly. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed with scripting. So this tool is doing that for us, nothing to worry about. So here you can see that we have the video title, alright, and the video content itself. So this will help Tubemagic give us the perfect video script for our own YouTube channel. Now you can go ahead and choose your script template. Now I'll click on generate script. Now guys, you can see what is happening. This tool is spitting out our video script, and this can only get better from here. So now you get to understand why video creation has become much more very easy and stress-free with Tubemagic. So you can actually go ahead and use the script for your own video. So you can go ahead and edit it, make it much more unique, and trust me, you'd have the perfect video script that would definitely be working fine on your YouTube channel. Why? Because it has been tested on some other person's channel. Now going back to our dashboard to explore other tools that are currently available on Tubemagic, we have the video research tool. Now let's go find out what this tool is capable of and what it is going to be doing for us. So by entering a particular keyword or phrase related to the video content we're interested in, this tool will provide a list of videos that we can modify as one and see which one will be the perfect match for us to create on. So now you can see that I just added affiliate marketing, and now you can see we have the top ranking videos right here. Now we know that we are chasing after videos that are doing well already on those keywords. So if you see how those two will be helping you break through on YouTube, you might need to subscribe to my channel right now and also give me a like button in appreciation, and thank you so much for doing that. Now on top of all of this, you have the ability to also add some filter to our result, like the date of upload. You can also do things like the view count, and also you can do things like the amount of subscribers available on the channel. So these are the filters to help you, alright, get a more detailed video for yourself. So I think this tool on Tubemagic has been successfully explained for your understanding. So don't forget, you can ask me your questions in the comment box below, and I'll do well to always answer your questions. So with those two here, you can check out videos that are trending on a particular keyword, and you can see, okay, why is this video trending? What are the things that these guys are saying that I might need to say, or what are the kind of thumbnails, what are the kind of titles they are using that I might need to use for me to also get the same result on my YouTube channel. Now the next on the line is our keyword research tool. So this would actually give us valuable insight into search volumes, competition levels, and overall keyword analysis. So still making use of the same keyword, which is affiliate marketing. Now you see what I am saying. We have a detailed view on our keyword, and most importantly, how they are performing and how they could potentially perform if we decide to go with any one of them. Now with this option, guys, you have a clear view on the right keywords to target for your videos and even for your YouTube channel. And also for the niche explorer right here, this is likely to be for content creators who want to get started on YouTube. Now if you look closely, you will see that we have three tables right here, and you can see we have the niche table, we have the example channel table, and also we have the RPM table, which is the revenue per mille. Now you have a clear view of how much certain channels or certain niches here can be making on YouTube. Now, for instance, now we have for health, we have for wealth, we have for psychology, relationships, technology, travel, entertainment, and many more others. So all you have to do is to use this information provided by Tubemagic to decide which of those niches that will be perfect for you to start creating content on if you want to be making real money on YouTube. So this is the perfect tool for you to use if you want to discover that. Now, coming to the scripting section right now, you can see that we have finished the ideate and research section. Coming to the scripting section, you can see that we have the video script right here. And you see that this is actually something we've talked about earlier, but still you can just go ahead and input a video title or some keywords to give those tools a clear understanding of the exact kind of video that you are interested in. Then after you've been able to do that, go ahead and select your video template, and once you've done that, click on generate, and that's it. You will have your video scripts being provided for you by this tool effortlessly. So the video to new script is another perfect tool for you to use right here on Tubemagic. So if you want to go ahead and still like a content creator, or if you will need to edit and adjust a particular video content to your liking, all you need to do is to simply get through the video link and paste it right here into Tubemagic video to script tool. And you can see that you are ready to go. Now guys, you can see what is going on right here. You can see what is happening. I mean, you can see everything happening here. We have those total video scripts being given to us without stressing ourselves. So every word that came out from this person's mouth, everything has been written down by those tools. You can see how amazing this can be. So don't you think that this is one great tool for you to jump into right now if you are thinking of the perfect tool to start using for YouTube and also to help you streamline your content creation process? Tubemagic is just the perfect tool for you to use. So make sure to go check it out right now, and also join me in exploring every of the tools that are currently available on Tubemagic. Now, what of the article to script tool? Okay, what mind-blowing future will this also be displaying? Now, I think this is actually simple. We need an article link to convert it into a video script. So I found out this article on Medical News Today. So this is an article on how to lose weight with 10 tips. So right here, I'll copy the article link and paste it into the tool. So next is to choose the template style. Of course, I'm going to go with the general style. Then I'm going to click on generate. And afterwards, we have the magic happen. Our article has now been converted into video script for us. So all we need to do right now is to make effective usage of this. So back to the general tools, you can see that we are done with the scripting section. Now the next is the upload and optimize section. So once you've been able to create your content, you've been able to get your script, and you've been able to convert your script into a video format, now you might need to go ahead and choose the upload and optimize section for you to go ahead in optimizing your video for better result. Now the first thing we have here is the WAP upload. Okay, so this is a tool for the bulk production for video titles, video description, and even video tags. Now you can go ahead and just add the URL of your YouTube video, or we can just use the content type, which is by typing what our video is all about. So for me, I prefer this exact method. Good, so I prefer this exact method, and you can see that we have some video titles already being generated. Now, all right, so you can see that this is also the video description, and beneath it is where we have our video tags. Exactly, so simple enough for beginners to understand. So I can also decide to do each and every one of them individually by choosing my video title separately or video description to separately, even including timestamps if I want to. And video tags lastly. So all of this amazing feature Tubemagic has provided is to help its users with an easy to use user interface and experience. So guys, you can see that we have been able to cover Tubemagic from the ideation section to the scripting section and also to the optimized video section. So each and every of those two combine together in helping you create the best and easy content for your channel. Now, something about the micro tool is the ability for you to create a channel name by giving this tool what your channel will be all about. So can you see that we have some channel ideas right here, and you can go with any one of them if you're thinking of creating a new YouTube channel. So guys, I'm going to tell you the truth that the more easier way for you to understand Tubemagic, you yourself get to lay your hands on the tool. So once you've been able to acquire Tubemagic, okay, you would have access to all of these tools, and constantly using this tool is going to give you a clearer understanding of what the Tubemagic can do and what it can do. But trust me, so far so good. We have realized that everything that we can think of when it comes to content creation, the Tubemagic is the perfect tool that can do everything all at once. And finally guys, as promised, let's see how we can use this tool to create a YouTube video thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the thumbnail generator, and the first thing I have to do is to give this a name. Now this is where we have two options to turn our thumbnail alive. Is to use our YouTube video link by pasting the video URL right here, or better still, we can go ahead and select video content and type in your video content in few words. So I'm going to type in my video content in few words, and let's see the thumbnail that gets generated for us. So after typing in some content here on the tool, you can see that we have our thumbnails below already generated, and you can see that every of those thumbnails here are very good looking for a new software as Tubemagic. So I think I like this one much more better. So once I'm happy with the result, I can go ahead and click on download to have it downloaded into my computer. So that is actually what it takes for you to create a YouTube thumbnail on Tubemagic. So guys, you can find out more details and amazing content on Tubemagic by checking out their community of creators like ourselves, their future ideas, their courses, their Discord channel, and many others. So never miss out on this cheat software for content creators. And that's it for Tubemagic tool. This video is a comprehensive guide on how to use each and every of those tools available on Tubemagic to help you streamline your content creation process on YouTube and other similar reasons. So take the bold step now by getting your hands on Tubemagic, which promises to become much more powerful and efficient in the nearest future. Click the link below and go enjoy Tubemagic. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any question, you can let me know and I'll do well to answer your questions immediately. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself, and bye.